Welcome to Mathematics, anyone. Today I will teach you this topic, rewriting equation and formulas for Algebra 1. So welcome to my class. We will continue with this, solving linear equation. That's the unit that we are working right now. Okay, so I have one problem here. We have this problem here. It says a linear equation solved for y. Okay, rewrite the following equation in slope-intercept form. We have one example here. Y minus 2 equals negative 6 times x minus 8. I will divide my class in two sections, all right? The first section is a linear equation solved for y. The second section, I will organize a multivariable equation. So rewrite multivariable equation in the second part of my class today. So it's not big deal. It's simple. Just continue for the topic of solving linear equation. All right. So just for remember, we have to remember some idea here. We have to remember this clue for our class today. The slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept this is a clue today. Very important. It's very simple. Of a linear equation. Of a linear equation is remember this little formula. Very important to remember this y equals mx. Oh, this color doesn't work. I will to write in a black color. It's y equals mx plus b. Remember this formula? Okay. In this case, where it's very important, where m, so what I mean, m is the slope, all right? It's very important. B, maybe this come, and B, right there, is the y-intercept, is the y-intercept, right? So after this main concept, we are able to solve our problem here. Okay, let's erase it. It's very simple. This class, Algebra 1, I like it. I enjoy my class. So Algebra 1 is very, very excited to take Algebra 1. All topics are very simple, also very easy. So now we have to solve here. Solve for y. Okay. Solve for y in our problem here. What is the next step? So rewrite the equation here. We have to rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. So rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, how rewrite the equation in a slope-intercept form here? So we have a problem here. I will write the complete problem. So a problem is y minus 2 equals negative 6 times x minus 8. All right. So we have to rewrite in a slope-intercept form. Here we have to apply the distributive property here. Apply distributive property. If you apply the distributive property, you will have here, look at this, y minus 2, don't change anything here. We have 6 times cx, negative 6x, minus negative 6 times negative 8 is positive 48, right? That's the next step. So now next step we have to add here. We write the step. We have to add 2, because here is negative. We have to add 2 to both sides, right? You add 2 in both sides, then you will have y equals, you add it here, is going to be negative 6x plus 50. All right, this is our answer right here. See? All right, this problem is done. Very simple, right? Very easy. Let's write another problem. Let's do another example. Okay, so I will erase everything. So let me do another problem. So the next problem, rewrite the following equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, the equation is y minus 3. Okay, y minus 3 equals negative 5 times, let's write x minus 3. Okay, so we have to rewrite this equation in the slope-intercept form. So now we have to apply here, so the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Slope-intercept form, right? So we have to apply here the distributive property. If you apply the distributive property, you will have y equal minus 3 equals negative 5 times x is negative 5x. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 3 is 15. All right. So now we have, this is now we have more space. So we have to add this is y. I mean add 3 to both sides. Let me do this step. Y minus 3 plus 3 equals negative 5x plus 15 plus 3. Right? Simplify here. Y equals negative 5x plus 8. That's it. That's the solution. Right? Very simple. It's not a big deal, right? So now let me go to the second section or to my class. The second section, can I erase it? All right, just you want to see, just come back and check the video. Go back in the video, and then you have some question and review. So the number 2 section to my class is let's call rearrange multi multivariable, okay, multiple variable equation. That's the second section of my class. So let's see one example. We have in this case solve for s. Solve for s in terms of we will have QRT and U. So our problem is T S will be T S Q U R. That's our equation. These letters are the variables. So here we have to solve for S. Okay, solve for S. So first of all, we have to find where is S in the equation. In this equation, we have to find where is S in the equation. Okay. In the equation, we have to find where is S. S is right here in the equation. Where is the function of x right here? So let me write again. So we have Ts equals QR. So what is doing here? The variable S. So S right here is times. It's a multiplication. It's a multiplication. So now then, when you move some variable to the other side, when it's multiplication, you have to divide. So then divide. See, we have to divide both sides. By in this case, we need to leave alone the variable S. And then we have to divide by T. You do that, or we will do that, so we will have S is equals QUR divided by T. So that's it. It is very simple. Our class today is very easy algebra, okay? So this is the solution. This is the answer to our question. Let me solve another problem for you. And this the second part of my class, rewriting equation and formulas. Rewriting equation and formulas is very simple. So let's go problem number 2. Solve for here we have to solve for I. This is gonna be I in terms of P and B. P and B, UB, right? So our problem is we have P equals IB. We have to solve for I, right? In terms of P and B. So first of all, we have to first step find. We have to find where is where I is in the equation. I have to write it for you. Okay, so we need to see where is I in the equation. The equation is P equals I times B. So this is a multiplication. This is a multiplication, right? So we need to leave alone the variable I, and then we have to move b to the other side. It is times when you move it to the other side, you have to divide. You have to divide in both sides. So here, you move it to this side, we will have b divided by b equals I. What happened here? So here we divide both sides, right? By UV. All right. So the answer, you can write it this way. So the answer of I is equals P divided by B, or UV, right? UV. So that's it. Very simple. Our class, rewriting equation and formulas. So thank you to be in Mathematics. Anyone? I hope this be useful for your algebra class or for mathematics. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see